Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding platform trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rubbermaid Commercial Platform Truck. Rubbermaid high-performance platform truck delivers excellent and accessible load work for all your commercial needs. The truck features extra Durham old precision construction that combines heavy-duty and engineered metal and resin to withstand heavy loads. Its structure surpasses durability while providing an excellent platform surface where you can easily load your cargo. You also notice that the folding platform truck comes in a molded tie-down slots that provide maximum safety when you load your cargo. It also features heavy-duty 2 fixed casters and also 2 swivel casters that provide access control and maneuverability within the store, warehouse, and any commercial needs. The truck also measures 48 by 24 by 9 inches and weighs 75.5 pounds to accommodate and transport your cargo with ease. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kampeaburr Multifunctional Folding Hand Truck. Upgraded folding platform truck comes in a unique multifunctional design that offers high efficiency. It's also a large capacity truck that provides up to 330 pounds carrying capacity for heavy loads. You realize that the truck comes in a collapsible design where you could extend its size to 19.7 by 12.6 by 14.57 inches and also fold to a collapsible size to 19.7 by 12.6 by 3.54 inches depending on your luggage. Furthermore, the truck is also lightweight as it weighs only 6 pounds for easier transport and convenient storage when not in use. Similarly, the truck uses highly elastic ropes to fasten your luggage when needed. You also notice that the folding truck uses 4 and 360 rotating wheels for easier moving and control. It's also versatile for shopping, traveling, moving luggage, loads, and more uses. At number 3, we have the SAFSTAR Rolling Platform Cart. Have you been looking for the best platform cart that you can use to transport heavy cargo from one place to another? Here is exactly what you are looking for, and you can get it at a pocket-friendly price. This product is made using sturdy steel material that will enhance its longevity. It is a product that has been designed to carry at least 330 pounds while maintaining balance and being secured. You will appreciate that it has a non-slip surface that keeps cargo from falling or slipping during transit. Besides, this is a lightweight product that gives you an easy time moving it from one place to another. Its wheels rotate 360 degrees to ease movement on surfaces. To eliminate fatigue and discomfort when using this product, it features a comfortable handle that gives you a firm grip. Storing this rolling platform cart is easy because the product has a foldable design that makes it compact enough to fit in areas with limited spaces. With it, you save a lot of time because it has a spacious loading platform, which helps you carry a stack of packages at a go. At number 2, we have the MaxWorks 80876 Foldable Platform Truck. For convenience moving of heavy loads in your office or commercial store, purchasing the MaxWorks comes as one of the best choices. The truck features 2 4-inch swivel caster wheels that deliver excellent performance. You realize that the truck moves quietly with its rigid wheels rolling smoothly with high efficiency. Similarly, the truck comes with a padded handle that offers a tight grip and a textured surface that holds your cargo in place. The truck also comes with a bumper around the edges that facilitates keeping your cargo held tight and in place. It also features a heavy-duty and durable steel frame and also the tubular handle to carry heavy loads. The truck can push up to 330 pounds load and cargo with robust and high wheel mounting brackets that support the heavy-duty TPR and the PP wheels. It's a versatile truck for all commercial purposes and measures 33 by 28.75 by 18.75 inches. Thus offering high-capacity loading. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rubbermaid Commercial Folding Platform Truck. Rubbermaid Commercial comes in an efficient collapsible design that enables easy expansion and storage. Furthermore, the platform truck uses skidless non-marking casters that leave no marks on the floor even when heavily loaded. It comes with unique handles that feature 3 positions that enable the users to pull, push, or even fold flat depending on the needs of the cargo loaded. The truck also comes with a secure transport mechanism where the surface features a non-skid deck that prevents items from falling during transit. You also realize that the truck also features a durable foam structure that won't develop dents, chips, rust, or peels, thus serving you for the longest time. It also comes in a slim design that enables easy navigation through narrow hallways and doorways. The foldable truck also provides a 500 load capacity while heavy-duty 5-inch casters for maximum strength. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.